Is it difficult to talk right now again? Where to start?
It was surprising, for sure, at performance workshops.
Yeah, you didn't expect this.
Printing, yeah, for sure. Because it's all like a process of documentation from like start to finish, from also like taking the pictures and then collecting the material that later will be used for documenting what you just did. So it's like a whole, I guess, like an ecosystem kind of. Makes sense.
Yeah.
It's like how I
Absolutely.
that it's like a performative action, and then the material itself is also like performative.
We put this French word, I think it does exist in English, which is mise en abîme. Do you know that? Mise en abîme?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
What is in English again?
Mise en abîme.
It's a
Yes,
sign.
right.
Yeah. Actually, the process of doing becomes the process of documentation. I like the idea of creating this ecosystem between printing techniques and performance.
I like the idea that we were all participating in kind of documentation. I was like, for me, it was a ritual to document what we did together, and I really liked that we collected because I didn't have any idea what we want to do. I was like making a salad, and then that should maybe the first part I was thinking that I'm making a kind of salad.
I saw some very nice bowl.
Yeah,
Very
that's
nice
it.
bowl.
Yeah.
That's actually a completely room for numbers of people, just because I wanted to make sure we'll have enough chlorophyll. Do you understand the process here? Yeah. So chlorophyll we play this role of pigmentation on the paper, transparent paper with the sun. Anything that's going to be dark here is not going to appear. Yeah.
No, it's the other way around. Actually, it's like positive.
I wanted to say that I liked all the process, and I like it more at the end when we came back to the studio and I understand, oh wow, we will do this, because I couldn't really understand until the last moment what we were going to do. I was like, why you're taking out all these things? You know, the juice of the, I don't have any idea. So it was so fun when we came back and we did this. I was like, oh wow, we can document the ritual by the result. Like, I was kind of like, okay, even this paper can be a documentation of a ritual that we did together. And I like the idea that we were separate, like we were in groups of two. We did the works, and then we had to like put everything together. It was like the juice of everyone's work, and I think it was really beautiful. And for me it was.
Yeah, more than because we could have kept our own juice, and but in this case it would have like that you could make your picture only out of what you produced, and it was cool to have this in common. Also the pictures, you don't know which one you actually
Yeah.
What did you think when we began to paint? Like,
I thought it was just painting and composition, and then I was like, oh, it's a bit boring. I want to play, and I started to take the brush and to play with people's hand, but then they gave it back, so I was like, okay, maybe I go and sit. But also that's part of the process that we don't know, but enough people of the group will follow, I guess. So the other ones have to go back to the process, because you can do your. It feels like there is a gravity center. Of course, the three of you know where it's leading us. We have to guess, and then at some point we take the direction. But I hope it's okay to play. But then, of course, if I see the whole group to go back to something, it's a bit stupid, I guess, to continue doing the opposite. But it was a struggle, kind of, because I like to play and yeah. But also it's linked to the rhythm and the silence, because we are so much into information, seeing too many things, doing too many things, launching too many games. So maybe it also was a struggle. I don't know.
I mean, we would have focused more, I guess, on collecting like this material, like green things.
And you need to paint and then you have this way and this way, because actually the technique is the 2 layers, yeah. One that's you do the first one, and then you need to wait and dry, and then you need to do the second one and wait and dry, and then you end up with a bit of water. And then you put that.
No, I prefer that we didn't know. Because if not, I know myself that I have like kind of OCD and I have to control it always. So if you told me, I would be like super picky on everything, like on every movement. Like I would be like, I couldn't be playful and enjoy the moment. I would like to take the best like leaves and then go there, do it the best thing.
Yeah.
On that part in chairs, it's brought up this kind of you have to let it go, because I noticed you were picking only the dandelion leaves, and so I thought maybe it was important to have this particular plant, but then when everyone starts to pick up new things, and that your partner is also bringing new things, you have to just let go this and say, okay, so let's do our own thing in this bigger.
Telling us about being slow and everything, I was like,